What's up YouTube? It's Joel here. We've got your fourth stimulus check update with now a timeline and amount for this huge $1.8 trillion American Families Plan, which is amazing for everybody. We have two major changes coming to those who are on SSI and SSDI pertaining to their health care and monthly checks. We also got over $200 billion coming to students to help with college, financial aid, and yes, some student loan forgiveness in the amount of up to $50,000 per borrower. This is your stimulus and economic news update, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. You know how we do it on this channel, so let's work together and do a giveaway, stimulus giveaway on this channel. If we can get to 7,000 likes on this video, I'm going to give away another $500 to someone on this channel. And all you have to do is, number one, be subscribed to the channel. Number two, smash that like button. And number three, comment on this video on what you think about the new American Families Plan and stimulus checks. Let's get right into it. Our four stimulus checks that we have been waiting for is going to be attached to the American Families Plan, this huge, almost $2 trillion new bill. If anyone noticed, the amount has been incrementally getting larger every time they send more stimulus checks out. The first time it was $1,200, the second was for $2,000, they say, but they split it up into two checks, one $600 and one $1,400. Now we have enough data to see that the $2,000 is going to be the most effective while not breaking Uncle Sam's piggy bank. So they are moving forward with this as the key amount that they're going to be adding to the bill, with having over 100 lawmakers now having formally said that they would back this new fourth stimulus check. But not only that, they want to make it reoccurring till the pandemic is over. As Congress moves forward, there is more than enough support to get these four stimulus checks passed, but will there be enough to make it so that it's reoccurring stimulus checks? A lot are concerned that it would push people not to work and to be more reliant on the government, but we'll see what happens in terms of Congress as a whole. But the timeline that we are looking for at getting these passed and getting this distributed is in the month of July, with a hard date coming later. Reports are saying that they are wanting to complete this before Congress goes on recess in August, so a full distribution of all the new stimulus checks by the end of July. So what are your thoughts toward all of this? New stimulus, direct stimulus payments, is one more enough? Or do we need reoccurring stimulus checks? Or does we need to just not get any? Which I don't think anybody's for that. So the American Families Plan is going to be bringing a lot of relief to a lot of people, but I feel where it's going to make a huge impact is for those who are on SSI and SSDI. For instance, a huge major change that is coming is going to be going to the monthly check that they receive. So right now, the average monthly federal check that gets sent out to Social Security beneficiaries is only $794. But with the new legislation that is coming, this has been written up and a ton of support, and this is going to be attached to the American Families Plan. It's close to adding $300 more per month, which is amazing because they really do need the help. This is coming from the top. Biden has already expressed that when it comes to the minimum wage and for all Americans, that he wants to lift everyone above the federal poverty line, including those on SSI and SSDI. I mean, we have over 20 senators who have already said that they support adding all these extra sums for those Social Security beneficiaries. But a lot of people have said that if they add more to the monthly check, they would lose out on other benefits. So this is where these new laws come into place, because the laws that govern the Social Security recipients right now were made in 1984. So that's why there's a huge push for reform and making sure that if monthly checks are increased, that there are other changes are made to the rules to compensate and make sure that people aren't hurting more after the new increases come into play. On top of that, the White House officials are including about $200 billion to increase the health insurance subsidies through the Affordable Care Act exchanges for those that have been having a hard time getting their health care, especially for those on SSI and SSDI, so that across the board, those on SSI and SSDI are taken care of for their health care and they're taking care of for their finances. There's also billions of dollars that will go to help them out when it comes to getting more affordable housing so that their needs are truly and fully met. I mean, if you paid into Social Security for over 40 years and you're struggling to make it now, how does that really sound? It doesn't really make sense. So that's why they're trying to make these changes. They have this old law that needs to be changed, which I'm so happy about because I know it's going to help out millions and millions of Americans. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of what you think about all these new changes that are coming into place. For those looking for student loan forgiveness, yeah, it's here. We have over $200 billion that is coming to students, not only to help them out with college and to make sure that they are in the least amount of debt as possible, but also the student loan forgiveness that's coming from Biden that he's going to push through executive order. This is going to be a part of the American Families Plan. We literally have $109 billion for free community college. This plan would ensure that first-time students and workers wanting to reskill and get into community college to earn a degree, they can get it for free without getting any more student loan debt. The White House said that it's going to help out about 5.5 million students that are going to benefit from this, as well as from the expansion of the Pell Grant program, where you don't have to pay any of those grants back. They've got $62 billion to invest in completion and retention activities at colleges and universities. The U.S. Department of Education said that students who do not complete their degree programs are 3 times as likely to default on their student loans. So, Biden's proposal would provide significant funding to these colleges and universities to keep these students on track and help them to make sure that they complete their degree. Then you've got 2 years of subsidized tuition at HBCUs, TCUs, and MSIs. This is one part of Biden's plan that is $39 billion to provide 2 years of subsidized tuition for students from families earning less than $125,000 a year who are enrolled in historically black colleges, tribal colleges, and minority-serving institutions. On top of that, you got Biden who's going to cancel student loan debt for current and past borrowers, and the minimum that we're looking at for that is going to be $10,000 on the low side, which is still a lot, and then $50,000 on the high side, which is what everybody is pushing for. So we've got a ton of help that's going to be coming to Americans to get into college, to complete their degrees, to build skills into our workforce, and to help people be able to move up and make more money. Let me know how you feel about this, and would this help you out? Would this help your life out to get these student loans canceled, but also for those that are looking to go to college? Let me know down in the comments. So we've got a lot of reform coming with stimulus checks. You've got changes coming to SSI and SSDI. You've got free college and student loan forgiveness. This is amazing. But remember, we're about building wealth and financial freedom for ourselves and for those around us on this True Life Investing channel. So don't wait on me. Don't wait on a bill to get passed. Get some free money. Start investing. Go get you 2 free stocks from Webull that are worth up to $1,850. Or you can go with Robinhood. They give you 2 free stocks as well. Heck, I would just go ahead like I've done and sign up with both and get as many free stocks as you can. It's such a big help to get you in the right direction because it's free money. You can either let those stocks grow or you can sell them off right away and cash out. But it shows you the world of investing and get your mind on the right path to building some wealth and building some financial freedom. Those links are down in the description under free money. So let me know which free stocks you get. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you, and learn how to build some wealth. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.